How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply scroll down and tap on the three dot icon which is shown beside the edit button. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as turn professional mode off. And here, simply tap on continue. And on the next page, you can see the option labeled as turn off. So simply tap on that. And that's it. Now you have successfully turned off professional mode on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.